I beg. We just need this small help from you. Eh? Just this small help. Now 15,000.
What are you trying to say?
And the get wetin we wan use and do it very, very important. I beg.
No be say the help no dey, the help dey, but
God, you are very gentle.
But what?
I be Parrot.
Hey!
This small help I wan help una so. I go tell everybody say I help una.
Jesus!
Because no be tomorrow now you come say because of small help wey help us. You begin tell everybody say you help us. So I dey tell you now before I help you with this small help now. I go tell everybody say I help una. Everybody go hear am. Both grass go know say I help una. Una agree?
Yeah. This guy dey talk like this. Shey you think say more collect this money?
To collect am.
Because this guy ain't too much.
Nobody. You were falling.
We are ready.
It's okay.
Good. Call your account number.
God!
01 23 44 21 98.
Yes, the person collect the money. Go on.
I don't send am.
God, you are very gentle.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So no worry, this money we give us, so you no go regret them. Within 1 or 2 days, you go collect your money back.
Okay.
Alright. Thank you very much.
You got the point now.
Of course I fucked up.
See this two brother do me yourself.
Jesus!
You wetin that boy just talk?
Even a small boy.
That was a good job.
Maybe these two guys would they just help?
Jesus!
No look, no just look. Shey you dey see you them, eh? Eh? Now.
Oh, they go.
Now.
Boss, we see the every day help now.
It's okay.
She not the man there for that place. Yes, now. Man, I show love.
It is smoky, boy.
Hyper.
This your healing can't too much like this, so hope no problem.
Would they just help Nana? Something to the post.
Jesus!
Oh, go return this guy money.